I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Today, I'm going to show you how to decorate Bee and Ladybug cookies. I am deathly afraid of bees, so it's a good thing these cookies can't sting me. Yikes! But I love ladybugs. Ladybugs are a symbol of luck and positivity. How could you not love them? I bet you smile every time you see a ladybug. It is as hot as shit in LA right now. Not ideal for decorating. Don't always have a choice. Let's get to it. AmeriColor makes a great edible ink marker. Pull out the icing on the bee's booty to get that sharp stinger. Ouch! I just outlined my bee's wings, but feel free to fill them in. A heart-shaped cookie cutter makes a great ladybug. Let the first wing dry slightly before decorating the second. That way you keep the definition between the wings. Boop-a-doop, boop, boop, boop. A ladybug's symbolism is centered around positivity and happiness. When a ladybug shows up in your life, it usually signifies that a positive change is on its way. I hope that these ladybug cookies will bring a positive change that we so desperately need. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and positive change making. Like, let's take it down about 10 degrees. Yikes. Whew.